To be serious with my hustle. To be faithful and honest. So, somebody, not my fault.
Man, I'm tired of this guy. Which kind of a guy be this now? Why you go come out with my car? You just come out use am anyhow. You come back go, you no fit even wash am. Pack am wait they see am. I was what kind of not too much familiarity they cause this. So I be na waiting. You follow me save money buy motor. I'll bite this guy here one day. Ah God. Ah God. This guy now just make me the wash car. Maybe say I suppose don't dey road now like this. I don't late for work now. You make me the wash car. I get lost with that hour the craze. By now, 3 bottles for don't go down for you. Don't say no be say I don't work for car wash. Nah, no go.
Kojo, no be your car be this, or no be your car be this. See, now your car I park for back for there. See ya.
Thank you, Mr. Kojo. You helped me wash my son car. Thank you very much.